Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be designing this client's kitchen. I already worked on a few different options and ideas, and we're basically this is the kitchen layout, and right now what I'm trying to do is redesign it into a using more standard cabinets, because a lot of the times if the client wants to compare and find out the prices from standard cabinets to custom cabinets, there's going to be obviously a price difference. But standard cabinets we need to use standard cabinet sizes, and they come like in 12, 15, 18, basically in 3-inch increments. So I created all these options, and now the client emailed me final measurements and the pictures of the design. So I have the measurements and I have the drawings, and now I'm just readjusting it and 90 and making this work. So this would be my kitchen. This is the design I would go with, and just one blind cabinet. Here I would do Lazy Susan and pull out spice rack. So if we go into now Google and we type Lazy Susan and images, so that's sort of the Lazy Susan. We can also go to Richelieu hardware. So this is our supplier, Lazy Susan. So that's how it looks. They have 33 by 33, sort of like that. And then you can hold the cheaper one is so 32 inch or 28 inch, the white. Obviously this would be more expensive but much nicer. And corner cabinets, now we have spice rack. So pull-out spice rack would be sort of like, so products, Richelieu, kitchen, base cabinets. This is the most popular for the clients, so that would be right beside the stove. This would be like a 6-inch, and beside the sink, inside this cabinet, I would do an 8-inch pull-out. 8-inch metal pull-out for oils, or either or, sort of like that, because you have metal shelves, and this would be like this sort of size, and it's very nice and accessible, easy to clean. So that's the cabinet here. This would be a garbage pull-out. So the cabinet is 18 inches, and so 18-inch. If we go into under the sink or waste bins, and we go pull out recycling, and we go 18 inches, 16 and a half. Beautiful. So 16 and a half, sort of like that. Very nice pull out garbage, and then lots of drawers. So these are nice, lots of drawers. Lift up for the microwave. And yeah, so this would be a beautiful kitchen layout that you would enjoy and appreciate and have flow in the kitchen. So there we go. Now some countertops. I'm just gonna save this for the client. So the gables, the size is 30, the cabinet is 38, but the gables is, and we get 55 and a quarter floor to, so file, to save. That's it. So all the measurements, and now there's 2 different options, one using standard cabinets, one using custom cabinets. Custom cabinets obviously is much better, utilizing every inch, making the cabinets so they work for you in terms of the design, in terms of symmetrical window placement. So you have same distance on the right and the left of the window. You have more flexibility in the sizes. Everything is perfect to the T, and everything is, you use every inch of the space, and it just much better flow of the kitchen, no waste, and utilizing, and everything could be symmetrically and nicely balanced. And that's the difference between the standard cabinet line and the custom cabinet line. Overall, for some this would look the same, and then again, cabinet like this and cabinet like 11-inch is not even possible in a lot of standard cabinets. So this would be had to be modified, so from probably a 12-inch or 15-inch cut down into 11-inch pantry, which is doable, but you know, you would have to make those adjustments. But basically, yes, this is the difference between standard and custom cabinet kitchen cabinet design.